How to build a house. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore an exciting topic, how to build a house. We'll cover recommended locations, compare building to renting and mortgages, and explain why real estate is so expensive, especially in the UK, Canada, and the USA. Let's get started. Recommended locations to build a house. 1. Urban areas. Examples, cities like London, Toronto, and New York City. Pros, proximity to amenities, jobs, and public transportation. Cons, higher land costs and potential zoning restrictions. 2. Suburban areas. Examples, areas around Vancouver, the suburbs of Chicago, and the outskirts of Manchester. Pros, more spacious plots, family-friendly environments. Cons, longer commutes to work and fewer public transport options. 3. Rural areas. Examples, regions in Alberta, the Midwest US, or rural Wales. Pros, lower land costs and a peaceful lifestyle. Cons, limited access to services and amenities. Step-by-step guide to building a house. Step 1. Planning and design. Create a blueprint, use software like SketchUp or hire an architect. Consider size. A typical family home is around 1,500 to 2,500 square feet. Step 2. Obtaining permits. Research local regulations, contact your local government to understand zoning laws and building codes. Example, in the UK, you'll need planning permission before starting. Step 3. Choosing materials. Foundation, concrete is the most common choice. Framing, wood or steel framing are popular, wood is more common in residential homes. Roofing, options include asphalt shingles, metal roofing, or tiles. Insulation, fiberglass bats or spray foam are effective choices. Step 4. Hiring contractors. General contractor manages the entire project. Specialized contractors, electricians, plumbers, and roofers will be needed. Research local professionals or use platforms like Angie's List to find qualified workers. Step 5. Construction process. Site preparation, clearing the land and laying the foundation. Framing, building the skeleton of the house. Roofing and siding, installing the roof and exterior walls. Plumbing and electrical, running pipes and wiring throughout the house. Interior finishing, drywall, flooring, and painting. Step 6. Final inspection and moving in. Inspection, ensure everything meets local codes. Get your keys. Once approved, it's time to move in. Building versus renting versus mortgaging. Building a house. Pros, customization, new construction, and potential for appreciation. Cons, time-consuming and often more expensive upfront. Renting a house. Pros, flexibility, no maintenance costs, and lower initial investment. Cons, no equity build-up and potential rent increases. Mortgaging a house. Pros, equity building over time, tax benefits, and stability. Cons, long-term commitment, interest costs, and market fluctuations. Example costs in the UK, Canada, and the US. Average home price in the UK, £250,000. Average home price in Canada, 720,000 Canadian dollars. Average home price in the US, 350,000 US dollars. Why is real estate so expensive? 1. Supply and demand. High demand areas, cities with growing populations see inflated prices. 2. Land costs. Urban versus rural. Urban land is significantly more expensive due to limited availability. 3. Construction costs. Rising material costs, lumber, steel, and labor prices have increased, affecting overall home prices. 4. Regulations and taxes. Zoning laws and building permits can add to the cost and complexity of building a home. 5. Economic factors. Interest rates. Higher interest rates can lead to increased mortgage costs, pushing prices up. In conclusion, building a house can be a rewarding but complex journey. By understanding the steps involved, comparing it to renting and mortgaging, and recognizing the factors driving real estate prices, you can make informed decisions about your future home. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy house hunting!